Hello and welcome to Pisgah Health Today. My name is Angela Owen and it is my privilege to host this program brought to you by the Pisgah Health Foundation. The Pisgah Health Foundation is a public 501c3 charity founded in 2019 by a board of 7 caring individuals who are committed to improving the health, wellness, and lives of Western North Carolina residents. Our special guest today is Susan Kicklighter. Welcome to our program today, Susan.
Thank you.
Susan serves as the executive assistant for the Pisgah Health Foundation. She is originally from Anderson, South Carolina, a Clemson graduate, married to her wonderful husband, Trey, and they have 2 sons. And she does a tremendous amount for the Pisgah Health Foundation, and we are super excited to hear about some of the initiatives in particular that she's speaking about today. Again, welcome, Susan. Why don't you start by just telling us a little bit about your wheelhouse? What is it that you specifically do for Pisgah Health Foundation?
Well, Angela, I support the everyday operations of the office, everything from paying the bills to making sure we've got plenty of hand sanitizer these days. I also support our president with our board of directors meetings. We recently took over the management of the volunteertransylvania.org website and the annual Governor Service Awards, and I assist with those. And currently I'm serving as our Blue Zones coordinator.
So with that in mind, Susan, what is Pisgah Health Foundation's relationship to the Blue Zones project?
Pisgah Health Foundation's mission is to purposefully, creatively, and collaboratively enhance the health and well-being of our communities by addressing local health and wellness inequities through strategic and meaningful partnerships. I think you referenced that earlier. But our president and board of directors saw the Blue Zones project as having the potential to improve the health and well-being of every member of our community, no matter their age, race, sex, or socioeconomic status. We applied and were elated to find out that we were selected as the 50th Blue Zones community.
Congratulations.
Our relationship now is mainly that of support. Blue Zones has hired an amazing staff to advance the Blue Zones lifestyle, and we couldn't be more impressed with their work this far.
That is fantastic. What a milestone to be the 50th community here in Little Transylvania County in Brevard, North Carolina. Congratulations on that. So tell me a little bit, Susan, around what is Pisgah Health Foundation specifically doing to contribute to the Blue Zones lifestyle?
Pisgah Health Foundation is actively working on becoming the first Blue Zones project-approved worksite in our community. This is not an easy task, but we feel it is very important for the health and well-being of our own staff, which in turn impacts our ability to serve our community well. There are many requirements to becoming a Blue Zones project-approved worksite. For example, we have made changes to our physical environment, such as providing everyone with an adjustable desk so that we have the option to sit or stand while working. We have made policy changes, such as allowing our staff to work flexible hours. We have implemented programs such as lunch and learns that promote both social networking amongst our staff and broadening our knowledge on various topics. The list of changes we have made is extensive, but we expect to experience both short and long-term benefits, both to the individual employee and to the company by implementing these changes. And we would encourage every business in our community to work on becoming a Blue Zones approved worksite. And anyone interested in doing that could contact Trent Humphreys at Blue Zones Project Brevard. He is great to work with.
Sounds like Pisgah Health Foundation is certainly leading the way relative to that certification. And I love all of the ideas and the things that you just listed. I'm sitting at one of those desks that can raise up and down myself here in my home office. So little things like that that go a long way toward really helping us to all have a lifestyle that is more in line with the live better longer, if I remember correctly, one of the taglines for the Blue Zone certification. Well, Susan, thank you so much for the leadership that you're providing day in and day out there at Pisgah Health Foundation. You're certainly making a huge contribution to the organization and therefore to improving the overall health, wellness, and lives of Western North Carolina residents through your contributions. And thank you for being a part of our program today. Is there anything else that we didn't talk through that you want to make sure our listeners know about today?
Uh, no, thank you so much for having me, Angela. I really appreciate the opportunity.
Fantastic. Well, thank you again, Susan. We also want to give a thank you to Wildflower Media for their creative and technical support, to the Board of Directors at Pisgah Health Foundation, as well as the Physicians Roundtable that is sponsored by the Pisgah Health Foundation for their continued support in our community. Thank you for watching and listening to our program today. We look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Pisgah Health Today. Thank you. Stay well.